Pakistan, a land of diverse landscapes, is home to breathtaking natural wonders that captivate the soul. Among these treasures lies a hidden gem within its heartland, the Changa Manga forest, a place of wonder and history. Located just a short drive from Lahore, this forest is a gateway to a world where nature and humanity intertwine. This sprawling forest stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and human intervention, a balance rarely seen in today's world. Spanning over 12,000 acres, Changa Manga is not just a forest, it is a living, breathing legacy of human ingenuity and environmental stewardship. It's a man-made marvel, a verdant oasis that has thrived for over a century, offering a glimpse into the past and hope for the future. Changa Manga holds immense ecological significance for Pakistan, serving as a vital habitat for countless species. It acts as a green lung for the surrounding areas, purifying the air, regulating the climate and providing a sanctuary for diverse flora and fauna. The forest is a popular destination for nature enthusiasts, families and adventurers alike, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, a place to unwind and recharge. Its towering trees, whispering leaves and the symphony of birdsong create a magical ambience, inviting visitors to reconnect with nature's embrace and find solace in its timeless beauty. Changa Manga is a place where one can wander along its winding trails, lose themselves in its serenity, breathe in the fresh air and witness the remarkable resilience of the natural world, a reminder of the delicate balance we must preserve. The story of Changa Manga is deeply intertwined with the history of colonial India. In 1866, during the British Raj, the need for a sustainable timber source for the burgeoning railway network led to the forest's creation. What started as a purely utilitarian project soon transformed into an ecological marvel. The British foresters, armed with their knowledge and determination, embarked on an ambitious plantation drive. They carefully selected tree species that were fast-growing and could thrive in the local climate. The result was a meticulously planned forest, laid out in a grid pattern, a testament to their meticulous approach.
Over the decades, Changa Manga flourished, exceeding its intended purpose. It became a source of not just timber, but also ecological balance. The forest played a vital role in regulating the water table, preventing soil erosion, and creating a microclimate that supported a diverse ecosystem.
Today, Changa Manga stands as a testament to the power of nature's resilience. What was once a barren landscape is now a thriving ecosystem, teeming with a rich diversity of flora and fauna. The forest is a living laboratory, showcasing the intricate web of life that connects every living organism within its boundaries.
Over 100 species of birds call Changa Manga home, their melodious songs filling the air. From majestic raptors soaring high above the canopy to tiny sunbirds flitting amongst the blossoms, the avian diversity is a sight to behold. The forest also provides refuge to a variety of mammals, including jackals, wild boar, and the elusive Indian pangolin. Reptiles, amphibians, and insects add to the biodiversity, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Changa Manga is a stark reminder that even in the face of human intervention, nature finds a way to thrive, creating a symphony of life that is both awe-inspiring and humbling.
The towering trees of Changa Manga are the architects of this ecosystem, their silent presence shaping the landscape and providing shelter to countless creatures. The forest is dominated by the majestic Dalbergia sisu, commonly known as shisham, prized for its durable timber.
These giants stand tall, their canopies forming a dense emerald ceiling that filters the sunlight, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. Interspersed amongst the shisham are other tree species, each contributing to the ecological richness of the forest. The eucalyptus, with its distinctive aroma, adds a touch of exoticism to the air. The mulberry trees, their branches laden with juicy berries, attract a variety of birds and insects. The acacia, with its thorny branches, provides a safe haven for nesting birds. Together, these trees create a tapestry of life, their roots intertwined, their branches reaching towards the sky in a silent symphony of growth and survival. Oh, Changa Manga isn't just about the trees, you know. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, teeming with life in every corner. From the forest floor to the canopy above, there's so much to discover. It's a true haven for wildlife, a place where so many creatures thrive. You can almost feel the pulse of life here, with every rustle of leaves and every distant call echoing through the trees.
The forest's diverse habitat, ranging from the dense undergrowth to the towering canopy, offers both shelter and sustenance to a remarkable variety of animals. Each layer of the forest plays a crucial role, creating a delicate balance that supports this vibrant ecosystem.
Did you know there are over 100 species of birds recorded here? It's like a paradise for birdwatchers, with so many species to spot and admire. Their vibrant colors and, well, their melodious songs. It's like, nature's own orchestra. Each bird adds its unique note to this symphony, creating a harmony that's both soothing and mesmerizing.
Keep an eye out for those bright flashes of blue and green. They're like little jewels darting through the forest, catching the sunlight as they move. That's likely the white-throated kingfisher perched on a branch, keeping watch over the water. Its sharp eyes and vibrant plumage make it a standout among the forest's avian residents.
And oh, don't forget to listen for the call of the Indian peafowl. Its distinct cry echoes through the forest, a sound that's both haunting and beautiful. Its iridescent feathers, they're just, breathtaking, a true masterpiece of nature. When the sunlight hits them just right, it's like watching a living rainbow unfold before your eyes.
The forest is also home to a variety of mammals, some shy and elusive, while others are more visible. Each species plays its part in maintaining the forest's delicate balance, from the smallest rodent to the largest predator.
You might spot a group of monkeys, playfully swinging through the trees. Their energy and antics bring a sense of joy and liveliness to the forest. Or maybe catch a wild boar family foraging in the undergrowth. They're always on the move, snuffling through the leaves in search of food.
Spotted deer can often be seen gracefully navigating the forest trails. Their quiet elegance is a reminder of the beauty and serenity that nature offers. And if luck is on your side, you might even encounter the elusive Indian pangolin, its shimmering scales glinting like armor as it searches for its next meal of ants and termites. It's a rare sight, but one that leaves a lasting impression. Changa Manga is not just an ecological treasure. It's a recreational paradise offering something for everyone. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, this place has it all.
Oh, absolutely. It's a place where families can bond, friends can gather, and individuals can find solace in the beauty of nature. This place offers such a welcome escape, a chance to breathe deeply and let go of the stresses of daily life. From the hustle and bustle of city life, it's like stepping into another world, one filled with tranquility and natural beauty. It's perfect for unwinding and reconnecting with nature, whether you're exploring the trails or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere.
The forest provides ample opportunities for exploration and adventure. Families and nature enthusiasts alike can enjoy a variety of activities, from hiking and photography to simply marveling at the natural wonders around them.
One of my favorite things to do here is just take a leisurely stroll or a bike ride along the trails. The trails are so well maintained, making them accessible for everyone, and the atmosphere is just so peaceful. With sunlight filtering through the trees and the gentle rustle of leaves, it's like walking through a dream.
The cool shade of the towering trees, the fresh air, and the symphony of birdsong create an environment that feels alive and invigorating. It's a truly rejuvenating experience, one that stays with you long after you leave.
And for those looking for something a little more adventurous, there's camping. Imagine setting up a tent, gathering around a campfire, and sharing stories under the open sky. Spending a night under the stars, surrounded by the sounds of the forest. It's just magical. It's an experience that connects you to nature in the most profound way.
Children will delight in the playgrounds and amusement park where they can let their imaginations run wild. Meanwhile, the whole family can enjoy a picnic lunch in one of the designated areas surrounded by the beauty of the forest.
Oh, and don't forget the boat rides on the lake. It's such a unique experience. The calm and serene waters, paired with the beauty of the forest, reflected so perfectly, make it an unforgettable moment of peace and connection with nature.
The preservation of Changa Manga is not just a responsibility, it's a necessity.
That's right. Recognizing its ecological and economic importance, the Pakistani government, NGOs and local communities have all joined forces to protect this incredible place for future generations.
Reforestation drives are a key part of these efforts.
Yes, and these involve planting a diverse range of tree species, carefully chosen to thrive in this climate and enhance biodiversity.
Strict measures are also in place to combat illegal logging and encroachment.
Absolutely. These actions ensure that the forest remains a sanctuary for wildlife and continues to support local livelihoods.
Public awareness campaigns also play a crucial role in conservation.
They really do. By educating visitors about responsible behavior, like not littering, staying on trails, and respecting wildlife. We can all contribute to protecting this natural treasure.
A visit to Changa Manga is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its tranquil embrace.
Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or just looking for a peaceful escape, Changa Manga really has something for everyone.
Located approximately 80 kilometers from Lahore, the forest is easily accessible by road.
And it's open all year round. Though, if you ask me, the best time to visit is between October and March, when the weather is cooler.
The forest offers well-maintained facilities to make your visit comfortable.
That's right. We have restrooms, picnic areas, and even a small canteen where you can grab some refreshments. But hey, it's always a good idea to bring your own food and water, especially if you'll be exploring for a while.
Entry to the forest is ticketed, with the fees supporting its maintenance and conservation.
Exactly. And oh, don't forget to check the signboards for visiting hours and rules before you head in.
As you stand amidst the towering trees of Changa Manga, breathe in the fresh air and listen to the symphony of life that surrounds you. Take a moment to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains this ecological marvel.
This place is such a testament to what we can achieve when we respect nature. It's a powerful reminder, despite all the environmental challenges we face, that there is still hope.
By preserving and protecting places like Changa Manga, we are not just conserving biodiversity, we are safeguarding our own future.
Exactly. When we care for places like this, we're creating a legacy for generations to come, a symbol of harmony between humanity and the natural world.
Let us all do our part to ensure that this man-made wonder continues to thrive, standing as a beacon of hope for years to come.